Strengthening Faith 66. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the behavior and attitude of some criminals who chose a life of crime, as they desired to obtain wealth in an easy and simple way. It is important for Muslims to avoid this type of quick-fix mentality in both worldly and religious matters. Unfortunately, some Muslims have adopted this attitude. Whenever they encounter problems, instead of following the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by remaining patient and firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience, they instead search for a quick-fix solution, desiring a short spiritual exercise which can solve all their problems. This was not the attitude of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, or his companions, may Allah be pleased with them, even though they faced more severe difficulties. Allah, the Exalted, could have granted the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, victory and spread Islam in a single moment, yet it took over 2 decades of striving in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, to achieve this. A Muslim should simply understand that if they cannot lawfully obtain worldly things without effort, how can they obtain religious blessings without effort? The greatest spiritual exercise one can perform is remaining obedient to Allah, the Exalted, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. There is no quick fix to problems, as the universe was created in such a way that one must put in effort in order to obtain things. If a Muslim desires to overcome difficulties and obtain blessings, they must remain steadfast on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.